Good morning, my people. What is going on? What is popping? Okay, so I posted the key levels. I want calls like 452. 452 I want calls. Puts I want calls pretty much 454. All right? That's what I want. Okay, market open. Let's go. Okay. Brokers open. We don't know what we're going to do. We're going to miss the opening candle, okay? Let the play happen. We know what we're buying. If you see my screen right now, you know where we're sniping. Good morning. Okay, so we gap down. And I'm just playing the big key levels, okay? The biggest key level right now we have at 453.94. We're going to snipe. I wouldn't mind riding calls all day. But we need some confirmation, okay? So we're just going to be looking at the daily. The 30-minute time frame. Right now it looks like, yeah, we're going to come up to... probably 354. 354, you get me? Okay, so get calls on the screen. Calls on the screen. Brokers open. You 8 people that are red yesterday, I'm coming for you today. I'm coming for all of you. None of this being red bullshit. We're all leaving green, okay? I take full responsibility, by the way. But we are gonna get green, okay? No more of this fucking bullshit being red. We work way too hard to lose money. As long as we're all on the same page. We're all here to make money, so let's make it. Okay, I'm getting spy calls ready. Frig, why does this have to be opening candle? I like this freaking play right now. Okay, I have 452 calls prepped and ready to go. 452 calls prepped and ready to go. Let's give it. I don't play the first candle, even though this is where I'm supposed to buy, but we are rejecting the top level. So let's see what it do. No, I'll go 1 day out, guys. 1 day, 2 days out. Go 3 days. Go 5 days out if you can. If you're able to. But yeah, guys, we gotta start stepping this up. Okay, I want everyone to start excelling. Okay, we've been in this program a while. We got to start making some serious gains. We need to start being consistent. I'm on a different mode right now. Okay, I don't like people being red. I don't mind people being red as long as we're all red. Okay, I don't like when 3/4 of the Discord are green and the third or the 25% is red. Like I don't like that. It's okay to be red if we're all red. Okay? And if you're venturing out and doing your own thing while everyone else is green, stop doing that. Take the thinking out. You guys gotta stop the FOMO. You know what I mean? You want to enter a play. Okay, I got my puts ready. This is where I'm supposed to buy, but we have a gap below. Let's see. I'm going to wait for this wick to finish up. Calls, of course calls. Market's still bullish. The market is still bullish. All the dips are being bought, so we're going to buy the dip until it's proven not to work. You know what I mean? Okay, we're coming up to our key level. I got four. I'm going to go 451 calls. 451 calls. I'm going to look to start our position. We're playing our key level. That's the reason why we are entering. It was pre-market support. We're going to hit it right now. We should be able to get a nice bounce. Safe contracts. We don't want anyone going red. And if we are red, we stop out quick. Okay? We get the hell out. And we wait for our next key level. You stop out quick. Okay, guys, I'm getting a position started right now. I'm going to hit August 2nd calls. 451 calls. 452 calls. I have a starter position right now. I am in. I'm looking to take this probably to pre-market support, which is around 453. So I'm in calls right now, ladies and gentlemen. And we are going to take this to 453. We size in, okay? You had to do a starter position because our key level's down here. We left a nice wick. We had a wick right here. And I am going to double down if we hit right here, okay? So you guys, I don't like when people do same days. If you have a small account, stay out of same days. And if you have a cash account, you wait for 452. There's a chance we may, because there's a gap here, we may just do a partial fill. So I'm also keeping my eye on that. If you have a cash account, it's 452. Your level's 452, 451.99. I did a starter position because I've just seen stuff like this before, but pretty confident in it. So I'm in at $1.31. And I still plan to take this to the 9. If it doesn't work, I'm going to be watching VWAP. Maybe 452.80 I'm going to be watching. It depends on how this wick ends, okay? And as soon as it flips green, I'm probably just in a sell. I'm probably, guys, 452.80 is probably the destination to sell this. Right here, 452.80. I'm just going to click market and sell it because I'm in a same day. We should be bouncing higher. It all depends how this candle ends, okay? Because we still do have 2 key levels down below. We could end up hitting it. I like the wick that we're currently leaving right now. What are these at? So I'm going to sell at 452.80. This is a snipe trade. We need a direction. Excuse me. I need this to flip green and go to 452.80. There you go. Okay, guys, my destination hit. What's my contracts at? Well, about 15 cents. Fuck it, I'm selling. I just sold 131 to 145. Quick little play for the morning. Quick little play for the morning. You guys sell when you want to sell. I secured almost 15 cents. Let's go. Did we just bottom tick SPY? Get out of here, man. Get the fuck out of here. We do this shit for real on this side. We do this shit for real on this side. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, guys, that was almost 30 cents same day. So if y'all still holding, you wildin'. That's it. That's it, man. Look at that. It's gonna hit my destination, right? It's good. I'm about to re-enter. You know what? I said I'm about to re-enter this yesterday, and we got some people went red, so we ain't gonna re-enter it again. But let's wait to see how many people hit that. Good job, Smirlin. No longer part of the 8 from yesterday. Great job. Great job. All the new people. We had a bunch of new subscribers yesterday. How did you guys do today? Let me know how you guys did today. Or let me know if you hit that play at least. We're not done. We're not done, but there's nothing like a nice 5-minute bar, guys. Like, a lot of people are hitting their daily goals in one bar. Literally one bar. Coop, text me after this. Sorry, I forgot to respond to you, by the way. You hit that. Will you trade? Good job, buddy. I saw you just signed up today. Great job. That was easy. We're snipers, okay, guys? Everyone new here. We get in, we get out. That's it. We take profits quick. In our Discord, we take profits extremely quickly because we just don't care to hold. We make enough. We size in where we're supposed to size in, and we hit it. That's all it is. And if you miss that play, you should have missed that play because if you have a small account, you have to wait for the best setup at the best price. Thanks, Dr. AL. I appreciate it. I definitely had a couple drinks, so. Wills and calls now? Well, our one of our key levels is support. We bought calls at the bottom. We bought calls when it looked ugly and it bounced, right? We're buying calls before the move happens, not while it's happening, because there's way more risk buying the breakout, right, when something's in a downtrend. So I would wait for that shit. Yo, Zen, did you catch that? My dude. Dude making 50% in 5-minute bars. Coffee's still hot, ladies and gentlemen. No iced coffee today. But yesterday, there was still ice in my coffee. And this morning, my coffee's still hot to the touch. So, that's all. This is what trading's about, guys. Literally could walk away right now. Literally could just walk away right now. Right? That's how you have to understand that this is the life of trading. You trade to have financial freedom and to never let anyone tell you what the fuck to do in your life. No boss to ever listen to. So master it. Get that self-discipline down. Okay? Soon enough, you're going to be catching 20 contracts, 50 contracts in one bar, and you're going to be making 5 times more a day than your previous job used to pay you. But it comes with practice, right? It comes with education. It comes with the self-discipline. Y'all got this. Like I said yesterday, man, you guys aren't... I'm not smarter than you guys. I'm not smarter than you guys. You guys can all do this shit. We just play key levels and we just sell quick. Because we scale in with good size and we can just leave. Right? That's what it's all about. Like sitting here all day, guys, and on a computer and trading with these guys. Look at frig, we should have held. We should have held. It's okay, though. I can't complain. Honestly, I can't complain. But you guys have to learn that the real money is made very quickly in the morning, and you have the rest of your day to do whatever the fuck you want to do. I don't care what age you are, if you're 18 or if you're 65. You guys, if you size where you're supposed to size, and you have your self-discipline, and you have a trading plan, aka key levels, morning routine, you shouldn't be trading past 10:30. I stopped trading past 10:30. I don't know if you guys have realized that. I go out and just do shit now, right? I'm going to the gym. I'm just living life. I'm sick of being some guy sitting on a computer all day. We got to get out. We got to travel. Go get some exercise in. Okay, gonna hit puts at 453.94, and we're in between a couple key levels, micro levels right now. So just keep your brokerage open. I don't know what the play is gonna be right now, but it's probably gonna be a put. If I look at the 30-minute, it probably rejected the 13. Oh no, it didn't. Not yet. Look at that. Look at that long wick, man, off the same spot. Jesus. That's crazy. Oh, it's not easy. To being a day trader, guys, don't get it twisted. It's not easy. But it becomes easier with confidence. And to get confidence is the more hours you put in, right? I don't want to say it's easy. I actually get mad at people when they say my job's easy, because I'm like, if it's so easy, then do it, right? It's a very stressful job, but it will get easier, and you will build confidence to be able to enter and exit. As soon as you show yourself that you can sell at a loss quickly, keep losses very, very small, you'll be able to enter more plays and get more wins. I don't make it look easy, man. Trust me, the amount of stress, we probably have over 200 people now. Friggin' stressful as hell. I'm responsible for a lot of people, right? So I have to choose the best plays. And that, dude, guys, the funniest thing is that wasn't even a good play. Like, the big play hasn't even happened yet. That was a little like, I just need a break to drink my coffee for a couple minute play. That was not a White Claw can that fell. Yeah, guys, that wasn't even a good play, so don't even worry. But if you did make your daily goal, leave. If you already made your daily goal, leave. I could walk away right now, promise to God, and just leave. Done for the day. I'm not going to, but if you guys did, you should really leave. There's no point of still trading right now. You're not going to miss something. You're literally not going to miss something. You're going to potentially risk your profits. If you're green, you're fucking green. Will hit the same play as us guys. Made $5,000. 5,000. That should inspire you guys. All right, that should get you pumped. That this is just the start. This is just the start of your journey. Not yet. I don't want calls at the moment. I don't want calls at the moment. I know, Brian. I'm watching that too. I just don't, we don't have a good entry. You know what I mean? We don't have a good entry for calls. So let's hit a key level and we'll move forward. Remember, it takes one trade a day for you guys to just go do your own thing. One trade a day. Munez, I'm not sure. I will look back at it when I finish streaming for the day and tell you guys where these key levels came from. Okay, next play is coming up. Just get ready, guys. Just get ready. Don't FOMO. There's no FOMO right now. A lot of us are already green on the day. If you're if you're neutral on the day, don't worry. If you're red on the day, I'll give you your money back. You can leave. Okay, I just put those polls up, and if you didn't hit those polls yesterday, hit those polls. Hit the polls, boy. Let me know. Let me know how you guys are doing. I just want to know who's taking my trades. Not taking my trades, but taking our trades. Keep it coming. Keep it coming. Keep hitting those polls. Everyone hit those polls. Let's go. Hit those polls. Wow, 31 people already green. 32 people green already. It's fucking crazy. Forty people are green already, guys. Wow. Wow, that's crazy. I'm proud of that. I'm proud of that. I'm proud of all you guys, man. I like that discipline. I like waiting for the key level. I love you guys pulling the trigger and actually having faith in it. Seeing what I'm seeing. It's fucking phenomenal. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. And if you just tuned in, I don't know what happened in the other stream, but they definitely didn't bottom ticket like we did. I'll tell you that much. And Will got that because me and Will are very very similar traders. So I like that. I like when everyone's starting to get on the same page. Everyone's starting to make money, man. It's awesome. It's awesome when people make money with you. No one wants to make money by themselves. No one does. You gotta bring up people around you. Even your friends, man. You guys should be helping your friends and family. That's what education's for. Help change people's lives. Takes time. Don't get it twisted. It freaking takes a long time to be a good trader, but you guys all got it. Okay, let's go. What are we looking at? Okay, I see a double support on my key level. Okay, I'm gonna get calls ready. I'm gonna get calls ready on my screen. I just gotta see how this 5-minute candle closes in 1 minute. I like these double wicks on support. 452.80. I like it. I like it. I like it. I don't like it. Me too. Will you trade? Trust me, my friends and family, no one wanted to listen to me. No one listened to me until I bought a new car, and now everyone thinks now everyone wants me to help them. It's funny how a world works. It's like you got to show people something, and then they think they know everything until you show them that you're actually doing well. You know what I mean? Okay, so I don't want calls right now. Risk to reward's not in. I really want to see 452 hit. Yo, if you guys have Instagram, add me. I just got an account. Let me know. That's amazing, Hawaii Rye. That's crazy. Great job. I'll type it in the chat right now. I think it's a sniper trader 101. Add me up. I only have 300 people following me, guys. I'm not some Instagram groupie or something. CB Pools. Okay, got you. My guy is he's editing it right now. There's been like mad technical difficulties using OBS and 3 mics, so we're probably going to Miami in 2 weeks to film another one. The quality's not that good. We're still gonna put it out, but it's just unfortunate. Your name from now on is Lord Sniper. I probably should have made it Lord Sniper, eh? I'm never doing TikTok. I've never downloaded that app. Don't even talk to me about it. Yo, Hawaii Rye. Bruh, do you know how many people, even my wife, was asking me, was telling me, she's like, I thought that was Elon Musk. So many people. Like, my DMs fucking blew up. It was so funny. So funny, man. They thought Dimitri was Elon Musk. I opened my phone. I had like 30 messages. I'm like, what the hell? Because I've had Instagram for a little bit. I just made it public, but like I follow no one, right? I'm not one of those Instagram social media guys. I just did this for like behind the scenes. You know, we're filming podcasts so you guys can see it instead of me just posting it on the Discord all the time. All right. You guys ready? Since a lot of people are green on the day, guys, we have to we're just gonna wait for the best strong key level. There's no point right now in just playing these micro levels. But if you guys can see my screen, you're more than welcome to take trades based off of them. Just I don't recommend it if I'm not entering. But then again, if you like it, do it. Wow, we're 45 people green on the day. Let's fucking go. Hit those polls. There's some of you guys, we still got 50 more people to hit those polls. If you're listening to me, hit those polls. Look, we're in that same range. We literally have the best play of the day so far, guys. We have the best play. There's been no other play yet. Christy just typed, she's like, a top G got calls at the bottom, I bet. Okay. 452. Cash accounts. Cash accounts. Get ready. I'm prepped and ready to go. We're snipers, guys. Okay. Sorry, I was in the wrong chat for some 48 people. Oh my god. Guys, I feel like we shouldn't even enter another trade. I feel like we should just leave green and just come back tomorrow and get green again. That's what it's starting to look like. We were done trading at 9:35. You take that, or at 9:40. You take that in. You know how blessed we are and privileged we are to be able to be done for the day or to be able to get green. I know a lot of people didn't put big money. You may have bought a couple contracts, but guys, it's all about where you buy. You know what I mean? It's about entry. It's about everything. Yeah, you're right. I'm just gonna wait for the A+ setup. Yeah, the best key level to buy. Well, fuck. Now it looks like we have a floor right here on our key levels. We get a nice green candle, another like a test wick to like 452.80. We can definitely hit calls. We need confirmation though. Confirmation. Of course, if support has been formed, Hawaii. Well, so far, 452.62. We have 3 touch points, almost 4 touch points of a support, which looks like a bottom to me. Good job, Hex. He made more in 15 minutes, and his job pays him in 8 hours. That's what it's about, man. That's what trading's about, guys. Can you explain Walnut's 5-minute strategy? It's my 5-minute strategy. What? I'm just joking. It's not just mine. It's everyone's, right? But yeah. I don't know. I'm just going to start calling him Top Walnut. Okay, so the 5-minute strategy is you're watching wicks on key supports, right? So it's pretty much okay. You see my key levels, more gravy, and everyone. Okay, you see how the long wicks we have. The long wicks are good for when it comes to calls, and long wicks are good also when it comes to puts. Okay, so if you see a big rejection off a key level, like a big wick, the next candle is more likely going to go in the same direction of where that candle closed, so which means down, or vice versa. We stopped here, we came back as soon as the candle flipped green. That's why I told you, as soon as this candle flipped green, it's going to go. And it did flip green and it took off. So wicks, think about wicks as a support and a resistance. That's all wicks are, right? So you're looking for how many wicks close above the key level or below the key level. And usually the next candles follow it up, but we don't need to worry about that. We use that as a little confirmation for like the second play, but we're usually buying first touch, right? First touch, first touch, first touch, first touch. You know what I mean? We buy the first touch. If you want to wait, you wait for a wick, but the wick ends up being the best fucking entry, right? If you wait for the second candle, people like we could sell if we so like sniped up here, we can sell before this candle even opens. That's good. I'm happy for him, man. It's that's nice that he's doing that for free. Well, nothing in life is really free either, right? There's always a motive, but for someone to take their time and do something for free, it's very respectable. Okay, guys, hit those polls. Hit those polls. Hit those polls. We got 106 people live right now. Hit those freaking polls. You see how we had this wick here, and I'm like, the next green candle on support, I'll get calls at 452.80. And now this candle's looking like not nice. It's rejecting off the 9 moving average. It doesn't look like it has strength right now. I'm pretty bearish until excuse me. I'm pretty bearish until we get over those, to be honest. So let's just see how we play. A nice big move, 452. We're gonna kill it. And the best part about this trade at 452 is we stop out with at 451.74, right? Take off, take the thinking away, enter the trade, get the fuck out. You know what we know what we're buying, and we know what we're stopping out off the bat. Could it go lower than 451.74 and then bounce? Of course it can, but we're not we don't have crystal balls, and we got to protect our profits. So no, Tommy, I don't mind you posting that. Guys, I want everyone here to learn. Post whatever you want. I'm not that guy. I do not care if you promote other people's education, because we're all here to learn. If someone can offer something valuable, then that we all benefit from it. You know what I mean? I'm not one of those guys. So don't worry. Don't worry about posting stuff. I don't care. I'm laid back. I just want you guys to make money. I know how to make money. I do it every day. As long as I can get you guys to make money every day on your own and not need anyone, that's my goal. That's my only goal. Okay, I'm going to get 451 calls on my screen. 451 calls, and I'm not hitting it right now. I'm waiting to see, because I don't want what happened yesterday with just like a massive sell-off. So we're gonna wait for a bit of confirmation. You get me? It is Hex. That's why I'm not pulling the trigger too early. It looks like it's going to double bottom up below our key level. So we're only going to buy below our key level. We're going to eliminate as much risk as possible for this trade. Okay. We have 2 bars, 30-minute candles that broke under our key level. So we're only going to buy under the key level. And if it goes lower, this is our stop loss is the bottom wick, right? Hopefully a big move happens so we can just buy. Okay, guys, just get prepped right now. 451 calls. Just get them prepped. We are at a gap. I think it's a gap. I don't know, or my chart's off. It's a level anyway, so. Okay, the gap closed. Thanks, Brian. We haven't been down in this level for so long. I don't know. But okay, I'm gonna hit 451 calls. We gotta break our level first. Oh, the next gap's 450.80. Good eye. 84? Yeah, good eye. I don't want calls here. I need it to hit my key level. We're way too close to it. We have a 30-minute wicks pre-market that dip below it. So I want to buy below it. Remember, patience pays, guys. If our key level if we miss our entrance, then we fucking miss it. You don't chase it. You say, okay, I missed it. I wasn't paying attention, or it didn't hit my level, so I have to let the play happen. You can't FOMO into it. I'm not FOMOing. I'm not doing it. I really want to enter a call right now because it hit my key level. But the two 30-minute previous candles dipped below it. So I was expecting a dip below it too. Oh, it's starting to look like the same play we just in. They've been changing it, Tommy. Stop loss market makers have been changing the stop loss hunting. And like they're going like 50 cents now. Like it's like crazy. I'm just waiting for it to crack it, to be honest. 452. Maybe maybe it doesn't crack, right? But I'm personally waiting for it. I want to see it crack it with a wick. I don't want to just buy now. But you know what I mean? Like we just gotta have the self-discipline. If we miss it, we miss it. But this is my lower level. Oh, I believe it could crack this level, but I don't really care because it's gonna snipe back up to 2 of these levels for a retest. Fuck, we should have bought it. Sorry, guys. I wasn't confident about it. I was following the 30-minute. Like I said, the exact same play. This reminds me of the exact same candle that we just made money off of. It's still early, but we green, D-Roy. I need one more play. One more play for the 8 people that were red yesterday. Yeah, it's coming. It's coming. Patience, guys. We're just playing with patience. We don't need to FOMO into anything. We're going to wait for the confirmation. Right now, it's extremely bearish, but we are at a major key level. We got to wait to see how we react. That's it. Okay? Okay, guys, I'm going to get 451 calls on my screen. Well, they're on my screen. I want to see it come down more, though. Okay, I'm going to do a starter position, okay, guys? 451 calls, starter position. Come on, dip. Okay, I'm good with buying here. Okay, hold on. Okay, this is a good risk to reward right now. Good risk to reward. Okay, I'm in 451 calls. If you're green, do not go red. Do not go freaking red if you're green on the day. Okay? We are buying in at our key level, and our stop loss is going to be a new low from pre-market. Okay? I sized in very, very small for that fucking reason. What am I? Okay, I got in at $1.49. What are these at now? See, we got 451 down there. I'm going to hold this for a new low. Okay, I'm going to hold these. I'm going to add in right now. And if we make a new low, I'm out. Okay, I'm going to have a stop loss on. Let me just look at the 1 minute. Okay, go push up. And I'm going to sell as soon as it cracks 452. As soon as we go above 452, I'm going to sell it. And a new low. Okay, new low. We're out. New 452. We get in. I'm light size guys, because I'm green on the day. I got in $1.37. Okay, 451 calls, and I'm gonna sell it as soon as it hits 452.90 or 451.99. Just based off the 30-minute chart, we did this pre-market. And you guys, no one should be in same days right now. You guys should be in safe contracts where you can hold, because this is, if you just look at the 30-minute time frame, this is where we had a big bounce from. Okay, guys, I'm not liking this, and I'm up right now. I think I may just start cutting some, to be honest. I just really want to see 451.99. Okay, this is it. This is the candle that brings us to 451.99. Do it. This is it right here. Okay, get ready to sell. Get ready to sell. I'm up 10 cents from my last entry. And honestly, I don't like this play for a massive reversal. So if you're green, just take profits extremely quickly, guys. This could easily just go down here. And I only have a half a position size. I'm not overexposed. I only have 50 contracts, and I'm about to fucking sell this right now. There you go. There you go, baby. There you go, baby. There you go. Okay. Okay, be careful. Be careful from here, guys. Be careful from here. I have half a position left. I'm going to sell the other half right. It's in a flip up right now. And if it doesn't, that's okay. Stop loss break even. By the way, those are 2 bottom ticks, okay? Okay, I'm fully out. I'm fully out. $1.52. I'm fully out. What does he mean got clapped? Why would he post that? I hit that W. Where did he post that? Tune out the noise, ladies and gentlemen. Just tune the noise out, guys. Tune the noise out. I entered a same day in my first, my contract only went down 10 cents. And look at that. We bought where the fuck we're supposed to buy. If y'all are fucking, if whoever didn't take this trade, if I just showed you guys a 30-minute time frame. The 30-minute time frame. Look where we bounced. You see how it went a little lower? This is what I mean, Tommy L, when he was asking about market makers and stop loss hunting. They bring it down like far. Who hit this? Who the fuck hit this trade with me? You guys just listening for no reason? A snipe is a snipe. We still freaking made money. That's 2 for 2. That's it. That's it, man. Look at that shit. Look at it go. Yo, if you're listening to me right now, can you guys do me a cringy favor? Can you go into the spy floor and just put the water gun emoji? Everyone, just post a water gun emoji. just for a subtle troll. Respect. Oh, I love trolling, guys. I'm a troll if you didn't know. I'm a fucking troll. Okay, well, I hope we had a lot of people start today. I have a feeling we bottom tick SPY, right? That's our big key level, 451.99. If this 30-minute candle closes beneath of it, I'm bearish. If this 30-minute candle closes above it, I'm bullish. But remember, the second candle can still break it like it did here. Like you see, we have 2 wicks. So also keep that in mind. Oh, you guys are going crazy with these water guns. Respect. By the way, I'm an ultra troll, right? I do this just for fun, just to piss people off. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Oh, good job, Smitty. Man, if you guys, you don't have to just follow me. There was a lot of people in the Discord with a lot of education. You know what I mean? Hit those polls. Come on, only 55. We have 106 people. I know you guys hear me. Stop being lazy. Tell your boss, hold on. You're making more money than he pays you, okay? You got to put those polls in. Yeah, Coop, I saw that. Good job, man. Look at that. We fucking bought the bottom of Spy, man. Two great plays, guys. Two great plays. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. And Will did a poll. Will did a poll about nut versus water gun. Yo, just put walnuts. I don't give a fuck. There's no competition. I want everyone to make money. Keep the noise out, guys. Keep the noise out. We have one focus in life. We don't care about drama. We don't care about competition. All we do is care about the dollar amount we make. Okay? That's all we do. We don't pocket watch anyone. We try to learn as much as we can from every single person out there. We can never know too much. Take in all the free education you can get. Learn what you can learn. And that's all it is, guys. We definitely should have held. Yeah, it was a good play, guys. We did good. We caught 2 plays. Very, very good. And remember, the next 30-minute candles in 2 minutes. Remember, I told you we can get 2 wicks. So as soon as we break under 452 again, as soon as we get back support of 452, it's most likely going to do calls. We're going to hit calls, and it's going to run. That's the bullish case scenario. Okay? That's the absolute bullish case scenario. D-Roy, don't worry, man. Don't worry about that. It's not even a big deal. I don't care if people like someone more than me. It doesn't. Honestly, I could give 2 shits. I'm just here to make money and help everyone else make money. Exactly. We're all on the same team. Will's an idiot for even trying to divide a Discord. It's pretty unprofessional, but it is what it is. You guys, guys, if you haven't did the polls, hit those polls for me, please. What day is it today? Wednesday. Remember, we talked about this. This can happen. 2 wicks. There's a shooting star on the 5 minutes. A pretty bearish candle at the moment. But remember, 2 wicks at this level. We see 452 support. It could be a big play. Exactly what happened pre-market. If you check the 30-minute time frame, you see how it started off red, dipped below, made a higher low, and then we ran. Okay, just keep that in mind. Okay, we're gonna wait. I really want to see. I think we could get in for a big play right now. That's the only reason why I'm still on this stream, guys. There is a chance. There is a chance that this could turn into a big play in this candle. It could be the exact same thing as what it did pre-market, so we're just keeping a close eye on that. That's the only reason why I'm still streaming right now, because we can go green to very fucking green. I I don't want calls right now, Munez. There is a possibility for a big call play from a pattern I see. That it comes with confirmation. Remember that we do not have confirmation right now. I want to see like a lower high, right? And then I want to see 452 support, and then we could see a potential nice play. That's what I see right now. I don't know. Everyone's bearish. You should be bearish technically. It's chat's bearish, right? Yes, D-Roy on the 5 minute wick. Hawaii, yes. I agree. Risk to reward, right? Honestly, Apple's so high right now. Like, worst case scenario, like it goes to 200, right? Or you make good gains now. Me too. Me too. So, you're up right now. So don't never be scared to take profit, guys. You can never lose taking profit. That's it. But if you have a good cost average and you believe it to hold believe in holding Apple, you can hold Apple forever. If you're doing it to make money and to grow your account, you almost doubled your money. So don't get too greedy. That's just my prediction. Like I could see Apple hitting 200. Has it ever hit 200 before? Almost. Yeah, I don't know. It's up to you, man. I don't want to tell you to sell because I like Apple. I truly do. I'm an investor in Apple. Um, there's some companies I'll just hold, but it depends. If you need the money right now, if you don't need it for a couple years. But do I believe a dip is coming? For sure, man. Nothing just goes up. Look at Apple's day chart, right? The shit's up like it's stuck. Look at that freaking trend. And then look at the previous trend of Apple. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, right? And then look at this. Of course it's going to be a down. It's just common sense, right? But who knows when it's going to happen? It could go to 220, who knows? But if you just look at the day chart, every big rip has a big dip, and we have not even had a dip yet in Apple. So keep that in mind as well. Okay, guys, I'm going to get 252 calls ready. 252 calls ready. I'm going to do safe calls, okay? I'm going to do like August 3rd. I'm not in it yet, so just hold on. We need confirmation. We are at a key level. We're building a floor. Okay, I'm gonna get a starter position on calls. Not yet. Hold on, hold on, hold on. I'm gonna do tomorrow, and my stop loss is a new low of day. Okay, I'm gonna do safe calls and new stop loss, and stop loss a low of day. Okay. This still can go lower though. It can go lower. I'm up on the day nicely. Same with everyone. We have to take this trade very smart, okay? I want to see a lower low, or no, I want to see a higher low in play. I'm going to do a starter right now, okay? I'm going to do a starter right now. I'm in calls. Tiny position. Stop loss, new low. Very, very simple, okay? I've seen a pattern like this before where we could flip and go crazy, but it's not for sure, right? But we still are at a key level. So I'm in August 3rd, 451 calls at 232. Okay, stop loss, new low of day, and I'm probably gonna sell this at as soon as we break 452 again. I have a starter position. I chose extra safe contracts, ladies and gentlemen, because this is more of a YOLO trade. So if you have a cash account, probably don't play it. If you have a small account and you're green, don't play it. But I've seen something like this where it could rip. So let's see how we do here. Okay. Yeah, this is a risky, more of a riskier play, right? We're doing a 30-minute candle setup. So just keep that in mind. This is a YOLO, an educated YOLO trade. Okay, it's bearish. I've seen something like this before where it ends up ripping. So I'm in very lightly. I'm not risking it, and I'm not going red, and neither should any of you guys. I'm in ridiculously light. I have 20 contracts. I usually size in 100 to 200. I'm in very small, okay? And I want this to make a higher low. And if it makes a lower low, then I'm probably going to cut it. Just quickly, okay? Remember, this is not the best setup at the best price. We are at a key level, but this is bearish. I've just seen the 30-minute candle pattern like this. And I have a feeling it's going to do this. It's going to do it here. I don't know, though. And I did safer contracts because it could take a little bit for this play to develop. I'm still holding this. I'm about to cut it right now. We have to bounce right here. I'm in light. Hopefully none of you guys lose money. And I just added another 20 contracts. Okay? So I'm only in a 40% position right now. And if we go lower, I'm out. Because if you look back at this, when was it? If you just click the 30-minute chart, we bounced off here, a crazy bounce before as well. That's the only reason why I added here. So right here is a good risk to reward trade. Right here, buying in right here is a good risk to reward. And if this candle can flip green, we are laughing. Absolutely laughing. I'm watching the 30-minute time frame because my trade is based off the 30-minute time frame. I'm not watching the 5. So this play could take a little bit. But we bounced off of here before, this exact same level with a massive upside potential. Okay? So I'm going to hold this till a new low. And if we miss out, we miss out. You know what I mean? I'll risk freaking $500 on this trade. I'm not concerned. Let's go. This needs a flip. If it flips up here, this is going to be freaking massive. Right? This is a YOLO trade. But if it flips up from right here, you're talking about this could be a big fucking trade. Look at that 451.50 holding, acting as support right now. Hold. Keep that bottom in. Keep it in. Keep it in. Bounce up. Bounce up. Okay, guys, I got stopped. I'm going to hit calls at 451 because we broke through 451.99 and didn't retest it. I have a feeling this candle still didn't end green. Why? Yo, you can't do same days on a trade like this. You can't do same days. It was good risk to reward, guys, and it broke it, right? It was a YOLO trade. I told you guys don't take this if you can't afford it, and don't go green. But see how fast I cut it? You gotta cut those immediately, guys. And now we're at a next key level right here. I'm gonna wait for 451 because I'm gonna wait for the gap 450.84. I do believe this is still gonna have a massive bounce, but I don't want anyone holding here. We have a gap to fill at 450.84. I just want you guys to see what I'm seeing, right? This is a part of trading. You got to be able to identify patterns, and you also got to identify if something is not going to work out or not going to go against you. You have to cut it immediately. It's risk to reward, right? If it made a new low, we were stopping out, and it made a new low, so we stopped out. That's it. That's how you trade, guys. You're never going to be right all the time in trading. You're not going to be right 100% of the time. You have to learn how to lose. Losing is a big part of trading. It's very, very easy to make money trading. It's very, very hard to protect your gains. Rule number 1 in trading is learn how to lose. It sounds so cliche, but it's very true. I'm telling you. It's the most psychological thing you'll have to deal with trading. Is when to cut something. It's easy when you're in the money. You can just when you're up money, you can just hold and you feel good and you know where you bought in at, right? But when a trade goes against you, you're worrying and you're maybe adding when you're not supposed to. And then once you add without confirmation, you made a small loss into a massive loss, right? I probably should have called it, to be honest. I'm glad no one fucking went right on that play. Jesus. Okay, we're at my key level now, guys. I don't want to enter. Fuck, we're supposed to be buying calls here. See, we're going to be heading back to 452. I'm going to tell you why we're going to head back to 452. Pre-market support support this morning, right? This is the area. We broke through it and we did not retest the support. We will be going back to at least 452 today. But who knows, right? We may not. I'm just trying to explain to you guys what I see. And things change. We're already green on the day, man. We had 2 fucking ridiculously fire plays. 2 of them were phenomenal. Good job, Gecko. Gecko called that, guys. Good shit. Good shit, Gecko. We are at a key level. I don't want to take it. I really don't care. And I don't know. I got to teach you guys self-discipline, man. We should all walk away right now. We had 2 trades, and that's it for the day. Yeah, I barely lost in that one either, like comparative to what I made, so it's not that big of a deal. And I said I wasn't going to YOLO trade. Oh, you're right on the day, Munez, by $12? Bruh, I said do not take this trade. This is a YOLO trade. Remember, we're still in a bullish market. Every time we dipped heavily, it got eaten up immediately. So also keep that in mind before getting on the bear train. We are still in a bull market, guys. And I'm the biggest bear. But I mean, like, so every dip we're in is getting bought up, right? So we don't want to just flip and go ultra bear until we have confirmation. Okay, we're about to fill that gap right now. We could get a gap close reversal. Last trade. I'm going to get calls. This is a gap that was on the chart. I'm going to do safe again. Okay, I'm doing a starter position on calls, guys. 451 calls. August 3rd. Okay, 451 August 3rd. This should potentially bring us all the way to 452. Do you see this gap right here? I'm right here. Don't take this trade if you're fucking green. I'm literally just YOLOing this trade just because every dip has been bought up. So I'm going to buy at the gap fill. This is a gap that was filled or that we left and we just bounced off of it. So I'm taking my personal risk right now. I am in 451 calls for April 3rd. Okay. And my average cost is 80 cents, $1.80. We are bearish. Do not enter calls here. We are bearish. I shouldn't even call this play out, but this is Will's play, gap close reversal. This was a gap that was left on the SPY chart. We just filled it right now. We could either get a bounce or sell off immensely. So also keep that in mind. That 1 minute chart said do not buy fucking calls. And I'm planning to sell this, guys, probably above 451.22. Right? In or around here. 451.30s. That's where I'm planning to sell this trade. We're not here catching a falling knife, guys. I'm not here catching a falling knife and betting against a trend. We have a gap close reversal. I just want to see how the 5-minute chart reacts to the gap, okay? We should bounce here. Realistically, technical analysis, this is where we get a pop. We're playing a key level. We're also playing a gap that was left. SPY loves gap close reversals, and I'm going to hold this trade for a little bit. I am in very lightly, okay? Very freaking lightly. And if we just make a new low, I'm just going to fucking cut it, okay? My contract's under 10 cents down, right? Harry, we already made our money for the day. I was just taking a YOLO gap close reversal trade, right? I'm in right here. This line is a gap close, a gap that SPY left. So I'm holding this. SPY usually has big bounces at previous gaps, just like when we fill a gap going on a bull run, we usually get a pullback there. I'm anticipating the same thing, that we will get a spike, and if we don't, I'm just gonna get out. I did safer contracts so I can hold longer than a same day, and that's it. It's not really it's a YOLO trade, Harry, but it's like there is a chance for a bounce, right? It's still a key level. But okay, guys, I'm gonna get out of this if we don't bounce right here. The last spot we can bounce at is 450.39. Okay, I just doubled my position right now. I have a full-size position in calls, an absolute full-size position. I'm fucking in heavy right now. I honestly think we bounce here, okay? And I'm going to stop out a new low. That's it. We're forming a nice wick right now. SPY filled the gap. Like I say, we usually have gap close reversals. Sometimes it's a gap and go. So my risk to reward right now is very good because I'm just going to stop out at a new low for a tiny loss. Okay? There is a key level, 450.39. You can wait and try if we hit this. SPY should get a massive rip right now. I'm telling you. For this gap close reversal, it's going to be if it happens, if it's a YOLO trade, it's going to be a big move. And if it doesn't happen, it's going to be a gap and go, and I would stay the fuck away from SPY. The next spot I'm going to say is 450. You can hit calls, but guys, we're all green on the day. This gap close reversal usually works, so okay, so Will's in with me. Me and Will see the exact same thing. You got two traders, two moderators in the Discord on the same page right now. Ninja's in it too. Everyone's in calls. Okay. So I don't seem like a degenerate buying calls right now. That gives me a little bit more confidence when Ninja and Will are in calls. But I didn't do same day, guys. So my average cost right now is $1.75 and 451 calls for August 3rd. And I'm telling you, if this is a gap close reversal, this shit is going to have a big move, like I told you guys. Like, has potential, right? It has a potential to be a big move. It doesn't have to have a big move. This could reject off the gap right now and tank. Literally could right now. Who's in calls? Who's in calls with me? What do you mean, why is GRAR against me? What do you mean, Super Dad? This is where an area for calls, guys. If this candle closes below the gap, you gotta sell. I haven't even looked at my brokerage. You shouldn't have held, because this is where guys, SPY can reject. You got to understand, it was a good position to get calls down here, but this is exactly picture perfect where we break through a key level, we come back up, retest, reject, and we go to 450, right? Keep that in mind. So do not be holding these. But this also could rip faces off, right? So good risk to reward. Remember, this is where we can reject from. This is also where we can start to rip, right? I'm playing for the bigger play, and that's what it is. There you go. Okay, guys, I'm going to look to sell just because I have a full-size position. Right now, I'm currently up 10 cents. I'm hoping this goes a little further because I'm up $1,000 right now. I didn't do same days. If I did same days, fuck, I'd be up so much money. Okay, I'm just going to take profits here, guys. I don't want any losing trades. I made back that loss from up top. I made double that loss back. So I am out. I sold my calls. We're 3 for 4 on the day. If you're bullish, this red candle, if this comes back down to previous close, you buy right at that gap fill, and we should see a move up. Munez, did that trade get you green? Are you green now? Kaiser, are you neutral? You shouldn't be neutral right now. You should be green, right? Literally the whole Discord was, in both Discords were getting calls. Munez, hit those calls button. Okay, guys. All right, is everyone content now? Are we content? Did everyone make enough money? Did everyone make enough money today? That last play was a little bit more reachy. I was confident like in a potential scenario where we could have a bigger play, but I wasn't confident enough to tell you guys with certainty to get in, because the last thing you want to do, it's just good practice not to catch a falling knife, aka not to when something's selling off real bad, you don't want to just enter calls. You can easily get burned like that. And as well, when something's ripping like crazy, the last thing you want to do is enter a put, because you're going to get burned like that too. Okay, so I think I'm going to end it here today. I don't even know if we entered a put. All we did is enter calls, and I had one of my biggest days in a little bit in the last couple weeks, so surprisingly. So I'm going to get going here. Stop over trading. Get off the SPY floor. There's people going to be calling out plays all day. We hit 3 phenomenal plays. 2 of them were very good, right? Let's be real. 2 of those trades were very good. Third trade was a possibility. Got stopped out immediately. Good risk reward. That's a part of trading. You're not going to be right 100% of the time. And this play was a gap close reversal. This is Will's strategy. This is the strategy he taught me. And it worked, okay? So we don't want to get greedy. We're going to walk away right now. I'm going to go to the gym, get some exercise in, and I will see you guys all tomorrow. If you have any questions, please feel free to DM me. Remember to hit those polls, and we will move forward. Everyone new who just signed up in the last day or two, give me a DM, and welcome to the family, guys. Like this is what we're trying to do. We're trying to help everyone make money every day. I do not want you being red when everyone's green. If you're red, everyone should be red. That means we bought where we're supposed to buy and things just weren't working out. When everyone's green, you don't have any reason not to be green, okay? Especially when the entire Discord's green. There's no reason, okay? We got to stick to what we do best. We only play key levels. We only buy at key levels, and we size into positions. When we're up money on the day, we lower our position size for the next trade. We always do that to preserve our profit. We are never going from green to red, ever. If you're green on the day, you're leaving green. I don't care if you only made $50. Do not lose more than $25 on your next trade and walk away with $25. This is a strategy that took me from $2,500 to 7 figures in 2.5 years. This strategy works. I do it every single day live. I have a backlog of 6 months of live trading almost every single trading day. I've been green for the majority of time I've spent on this Discord. Please, 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 just be willing to learn from me. Be willing to learn from mistakes I make as well. I'm not perfect. But this is going to give you the best opportunity to be a successful trader. I did the hard work, I did the time, and I'm here for you guys to pick my brain. Follow this strategy. Play where you're supposed to play. Put your key levels down. Know your risk before taking the trade. Know what contracts you want to get, and know when you're stopping, when you're taking profit and you're stopping out of a play. Okay? That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for all your support. I appreciate it. And guys, we're going to kill it tomorrow. We've been killing it all week, so tomorrow's going to be back to back. All right, take care, everyone.